How to find Clipboard on your Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can view your clipboard or find your clipboard on Android device. Now if you're looking to find it through settings or such, then that is not the way. All you gotta do is simply go ahead and open up your keyboard, right, by trying to type in something. Once you open up Clipboard, you can see the clipboard icon here right away. Clipboard icon, you can tap on it and now you can view your all clipboard. If you wish to delete certain things from clipboard, certain text that you have copied, you can tap on delete and go ahead and select it and you can delete it. If you wish to pin something, you can go ahead and pin it as well. So this is how you can view your clipboard or find your clipboard on Android. You'll have to do it through the keyboard. There is no any different option for the clipboard itself available. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.